In a world filled with various energies, it's crucial to protect ourselves from negative influences like envy, the evil eye, and other harmful forces that can affect our lives. To help shield yourself from these negative energies and transform them into positive ones, I'm sharing a simple, yet powerful method that can benefit you in all aspects of your life, including your financial well-being. This technique involves the use of a few everyday items: a head of garlic, some salt, a plate, and a red marker. Each of these items carries significant symbolic meaning. Garlic, for instance, has long been recognized for its protective and stabilizing properties. It's believed to possess natural abilities to repel negativity and offer a shield against harmful energies. Salt, another ancient protective element, is often used in methods to purify and cleanse spaces, objects, and individuals from negative energies. The red marker you will use symbolizes strength, vitality, and positive energy, qualities that are crucial to enhancing the protective power of this technique. To begin the technique, take a head of garlic and carefully draw a symbol on it with the red marker. The symbol can be anything that resonates with you: a simple eye, a protective sign, or even your initials. The precision of the drawing is not as important as the intention behind it. What matters most is that you do this with love, focus, and a clear purpose of protection. After you've drawn the symbol on the garlic, place the garlic on a plate and sprinkle it with a little salt. The salt amplifies the garlic's protective properties, turning it into a powerful talisman. Next, place the garlic and salt into a small bag, tying it tightly with a secure knot. This act of sealing the bag symbolizes locking in the protective energy. Once the talisman is prepared, hold it in your hands and take a moment to center yourself with a few deep breaths. Close your eyes and, with the talisman in hand, repeat the following affirmation 3 times, aloud or in your mind. With this all-seeing eye, I free myself from all evil and return it to its rightful place. I become a magnet for all things good, prosperity, abundance, health, love, and wealth. This affirmation should be repeated every night for 3 consecutive nights before going to bed. Each time, hold the talisman close to your heart, allowing the positive energy to flow through you and into the talisman. After repeating the affirmation each night, place the talisman under your bed. We'll work silently throughout the night, protecting you from negative energies and drawing positive forces into your life. Once you've completed the 3 nights, it's time to let go of the talisman. You can dispose of it by burying it in the earth, allowing the ground to absorb and neutralize any remaining negative energy, or by discarding it far from your home. As you do this, visualize the negativity leaving your life, your problems resolving, and prosperity beginning to flow into every area of your existence. This method is a beautiful way to protect yourself and invite positivity into your life. Trust in the process as you perform it, and remain open to the positive changes it can bring. If you find that this technique has been beneficial to you, consider sharing it with friends and loved ones. By spreading positive practices, you help create a ripple effect of good energy in the world. Remember, the universe often rewards us for sharing positive energy. So don't hesitate to pass this technique along and subscribe for more tips and methods designed to enhance your well-being and bring more positivity into your life.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.